Hi you guys, so I have another video, and if I'm wearing the same thing, I am filming this right after I filmed my Van Advanced Red Oil Serum review, and I thought why not, and I really wanted to share this product with you guys, and why not, I am already super made up and the setup is already here. So if you guys are interested in an unboxing, stay with me. Do stick around. Okay, you guys, so this is a shoe, and I purchased it at Holt Renfrew. If you guys are not from Canada and you don't know what Holt Renfrew is, it's our version of Neiman Marcus or Saks Fifth Avenue. So it's a luxury department store, and I purchased just this shoe there because it was the only place I could find it at, and it is a pair of Alexander Wang boots. It's one of the cutout boots, so it's not exactly like, I'm sure you guys have seen this or you know of this, but I just want to kind of share why I purchased it and why I like it, because I will show you guys. This is not my first pair. So I had one of the, oh my god, it is so heavy. I had one of the Alexander Wang cutout heel boots in rose gold. This is the one with a 2-inch. This was probably 2017 or 2018, and it's heavy, you guys. It's heavy. It looks nice on my leg, which is why I bought it, but it's heavy in the heel. It puts your foot, at least for me, on a kind of incline or slope that is not comfortable for long wear. And I've always had my eye on this style of boot, and I'll show you why. It's also the cutout heel, but this one is the Cori Stretch Napa. So first of all, it's stretch leather. The other one is leather as well. I think it's calfskin, I'm not so sure. But so this is how it looks. Of course, you get your dust bag. It's just plain black. It's very Alexander Wang. And this is the boot, you guys. So this is still has the cutout heel, but it's a low heel. And instead of rose gold, it's the silver one. But what I really like about this, the leather is amazing, you guys. Okay, it is a soft leather, and this is Napa leather. It's stretch. I have tried this, obviously. It's a smooth leather as well, so it looks so good. It looks so sleek, and I was looking for something that I can use daily for work, and I was thinking of getting the Chanel ballerina flats, but to be honest, I think those are too delicate for daily, especially in Vancouver where we walk a lot and it rains or it snows and anything can happen. I think this is just the perfect kind of boot for that, because it's not too high. You can definitely wear this with pants or with jeans, and you can wear this to work even in the summer, even if it's not ideal. But I don't really wear open toe or sandals in work, but the heel is very comfortable. It's low enough, but it's just a right amount of heel that gives my foot still comfort. The structure is very good. The support is very good. And most of all, it looks very sleek and very chic when you have it on. So that is it, you guys. This is the Alexander Wang Cori Napa leather boot. I highly, highly, highly recommend. I know I just got it. I haven't really worn this one yet, but I tried it and walked with it a couple of times before buying it, and I had a pair already before, so I could really tell the difference. I could really tell the big difference in comfort. And of course, you guys, the structure, the way this is sewn together, the seams, and you can see where the seams are for the leather, it just makes your leg look so good. It almost like this section, it's like the way a glove fits a hand. It fits like a glove. I mean, cliche as it sounds, but at the same time, the bottom here, this whole area here, you see this seam right here, it is structured, so it holds your foot in. So I'm very happy with this. I think it's gonna really be a staple for me. So that is it, you guys. I just wanted to share that with you because I think it's really cool that I got my hands on this. It's very hard to find and I'm not so sure why. But yeah, that is it, you guys. I will be my next videos that are coming up. Very exciting premium luxury beauty, Hermes beauty stuff that I'm just waiting to receive another product in the mail. And then I am also currently trying out a Lancome new skincare product, their clarifying toner or lotion, and so hopefully that will come up again, be coming up soon. So I hope you guys are staying safe and healthy wherever you are, and I hope you enjoyed this little impromptu unboxing. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day or a great evening.